recommend you this OOHmedia display. It's a brilliant outdoor slim and light front surface screen.
So, what are its advantages compared to traditional outdoor screen? Energy saving. Its max power consumption is less than 450 watts per square meter, while traditional outdoor screen could up to 800 watts per square meter. Lightweight. OOHmedia cabinet is 30 kg per square meter, less than half the weight of traditional cabinets. No limitation to installation spaces. OOHmedia can be installed direct on the wall or on the metal square tube, depending on the wall floor's condition. It caters to most outdoor applications due to its outstanding water resistance and safety performance. Take a look at those amazing cases of it. Please contact us via following information. Thank you for your watching.